Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a project plan in Smartsheet. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be using a template that we can just easily edit. Okay, so start by opening up your Smartsheet account and just click on Start. And here, as you can see, right off the bat, you have a simple project plan. But if you want to, you got to click on View Templates and just type down Project Plan. Okay, as you can see here, we have a ton of templates. Now, what we'll do is just basically pick one. Okay, now for this example, we have this low complexity template. I'm just going to go ahead and select it just for you to have an overview. And if you want to as well, you go ahead and wait for the preview in here. If not, just click on Create from Template. Okay, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can now go ahead and add in your teammates and give the necessary permission. Now let's go ahead and maybe type in my secondary email right here and this one as well. And I'm going to go ahead and hit on share. Okay, they should be able to receive this specific email. So if this person already got a Smartsheet account, they can just easily click on view and Smartsheet, not click to set password. This specific account right here, this one doesn't got a Smartsheet account. So that's why. Now going back, I'm just going to close it. As you can see here, we have the completed column, the task image, and this is for the sheet only. The task tracker sheet as well. We have that in here. And this is basically the board view. Okay. Now you have the project dashboard as well. This is just a sample by which you can just easily click on one. Okay. And the data will be shown. There you go. Going back to project dashboard, if you want to edit it, click on the pencil icon right here at the top right. Click on edit. Now click on one widget, for example, this graph right here. Click on it and click on the three dots. You can edit, delete, cut, and copy. Okay, copy, paste it like so. Double click on one and change the widget behavior if you want to. Okay, just like what you normally would on any other dashboard. At risk right here, you can double click on it. Widget behavior as well. It says open data source. So when we go ahead and just hit on save for now, when we click on at risk, it will redirect us to the sheet where there are at risk rows or tasks right here. As you can see, at risk, at risk. You can change the views from here, like a grid view. There you go. Here we have at risk, resource allocation description. When we go ahead over to assign to, you can just easily click on the name and click on a drop down and find the person who you would like to work on this specific task. Project status, in progress, not started, complete, start date, end date. And by the way, if you want to know how to edit the working days and holidays, we have a separate video for that. You can just go ahead and check it out on our channel. Okay. And that's basically it. Here you have your project plan or basic project plan in Smartsheet. You can just easily rename it if you want to. Okay, add in some more sheets and reports or create a new folder. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.